Hello, welcome to your training on codes. This will be a brief training just to explain some of our most common codes that we use here at Fairway Green and how that affects customer relations. So at Fairway Green, we use codes to help identify concerns when on the lawn. These codes are available for the office team to see when communicating with customers. Codes should be entered before leaving the property so they are fresh in your mind. These codes also help us to offer additional beneficial services that a customer may not already be participating in. This is an example of what is seen in the office and what is seen from customers. Customers can only see the area labeled Notes, so be sure to check your spelling and accuracy. As you can see, the condition codes are below the temperature and shows us what was identified on the lawn. Here is a list of frequently used condition codes. This list focuses on diseases commonly found in turfgrass. While mushrooms are not a disease, they are a common concern for homeowners. And this is a list of common environmental conditions frequently found in turfgrass. These issues are typically out of the control of both the homeowner and Fairway Green. We also have codes that we use in-house. They're important to understand, and these will be entered in by the office at some point and will need to be recognized. The first code is CB. It's a callback. It's when you're asked to call a customer back. PV, property evaluation, allows us to go out and evaluate a lawn with any concerns that the customer has. A PA is a service call that we enter in, generally when this is something that has to be scheduled out about 2 weeks or so from the last application. RS is a more immediate service call if it's been over 2 weeks since their last application and they're needing a service. SP. During seeding season, we use the SP code to identify our Fairway Green specialty seed mix. SP1, 2, or 5 are special add-on applications, so make sure you read the instructions carefully. CIA or TIA. These are call in advance and text advance, and we'll talk a little more about those on the next screen. SS is soil samples. You'll typically see these found in notes in your round notes between rounds 2 and 4. This is where you'll pull a soil sample for the customer to check on any issues they may have. Finally, there are a few codes used specifically for contacting our customers. Call ahead codes. Some will only require you to leave a message that you're coming out, and others will require a verbal authorization. This means that you'll need to talk to or get a reply text from the customer before performing any work on the property. A wants to meet will also fall into this category. If a customer okays a text versus having a phone call, please let the office know so that we can change it in their records. And that's the end of our code training. Thank you.